I don't know if that saved that or not. Oh, I guess it is still running. That was quite the thing. I'm out here with Scooby. We're on our way to meet my friend Janet for coffee at 10 Toes. We enjoyed it very much the last time we went, so this will be the second time that we've ever gone. And Scooby is busy doing his business, so I'm not going to show that. Wait till he's done. Oh, he was full. Very full tank. Oh, still going. Still going. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It is nice. It's breezy, but it's not cold in any way. I don't have a jacket on. I could have had a light jacket. It would have been fine. There we go. Scooby. Hey, Scooby. You feel much better now, eh? Now he's going to go and do part 2. So anyway, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And until the next time, stop and take care of yourselves and each other.